Welcome to TSS Associates Guide for the Bosch Greentherm. Today, we'll show you how to troubleshoot a C1, C2, CE, or CF error code. Let's get started. If you are receiving a C1, C2, CE, or CF error code, there is excessive flue blockage detected during startup due to insufficient combustion air. The error code displays when the appliance shuts down for safety. To begin troubleshooting, reset the error by holding the on or off button for 3 seconds. If the problem persists, check the air intake and exhaust pipes and terminals for obstructions and reset the error. Then check if the flue length is correct according to the specifications in Section 4.6 in the installation manual and reset the error. Check if the air filter is dirty or clogged and replace if needed. Lastly, check for block burners and perform gas and air tuning. Follow the video on Bosch burner replacement by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.